Doing a handstand on the wall.
Oh, that's him?
Yeah.
That kid's a badass, man.
Do some karate moves for him. Get him going. Thank you. Hey, do some moves, Buster.
What?
Do some moves for him. Get him going.
Kick someone's ass. The crane. See, he knows the crane. Okay, I can't do that one.
It's like Johnny Cage in Mortal Kombat.
He's like a little Afghani fucking Jet Li. How's it going, buddy? Enjoying the show?
Oh.
Thank you.
He goes.
Fuck no.
That's 3 left.
You're going to be here for a while, for a very long time.
Frank, give him some attention. Oh yeah.